In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a time tracking dashboard in Monday.com. Open Monday.com in your browser and log in. Then head straight to the left sidebar and click the board you prepared earlier. Once the board is open, we'll quickly show how the time tracker works before building the dashboard around it. Find any item that doesn't have time logged yet, and in the time tracking column, click the play button. The timer starts counting up right away, so let it run for a few seconds so you can see live tracking in action. Now click the stop button in that same cell to pause it. You'll notice a time value appears. Click that time value to open the session log. This gives you a clear record of who tracked the time, when the session happened, and how long it lasted. When you're done reviewing it, just click anywhere outside the log to close it. Now let's build the dashboard. In the left sidebar, click Add, then choose New Dashboard. For the dashboard name, type Time Tracking Dashboard and give yourself a moment to enter it cleanly. Next, choose Main Dashboard, then click Create Dashboard. You'll land on an empty dashboard with the option to add widgets. Click Choose Board, then select the board that contains your time tracker. Once you've picked it, click Done, and wait a moment while Monday.com connects the board to the dashboard. Now add the first widget. Click Add Widget in the top left area, then choose More Widgets. In the Widget Center search bar, type Time Tracking and select the Time Tracking widget when it appears. Once the widget loads onto the dashboard, open the three-dot menu in the top right corner of that widget and click Settings. Under Time Tracking, choose the Time Tracking column. Then go to Group By, open the drop-down, and select Status. Under the Specific Column option, choose your Status column. After that, close the Settings panel. The widget now gives you a breakdown of logged hours by status grouping. Next, add a chart so the data is easier to compare visually. Click Add Widget again, search for Chart, and select it. Open the three-dot menu on the Chart widget, then click Settings. Under Boards, select your board. For the X-axis, choose Name so each task appears individually. For the Y-axis, choose Time Tracking, so the chart uses logged time as the value. Make sure the chart type is set to bar, then close the Settings panel. You should now see a bar chart showing track time per task. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To finish, click back on the Time Tracking widget. Use the left and right arrows at the top to move through different periods. Click the Date Range label to switch between day, week, month, or year views. Then click the filter icon, apply a filter such as a specific group to narrow the data, and click Save Filter in the top right corner so that view stays active. Your time tracking dashboard is now set up and ready to use.